Hey everybody, welcome back to Sparks Fire and Baling Wire. I know it's been quite a while since I had a video out, but I finally got some time to work on this tractor again. I got all the sheet metal tore off of it. Now I'm going to get the engine pulled off, try and figure out what's all wrong with it. Okay, I've got the engine hoist hooked up. Most of the bolts are out or loose, so I'll finish that up and we should be able to slide the engine off the bell housing. One giant mouse nest in there. Shouldn't be surprised at that. Now the next thing will be to get this clutch and flywheel off so we can get it mounted on the engine stand. There's a bolt missing there, either broke or gone altogether. There you have the clutch off. Teeth are in pretty bad shape on there. We'll get the flywheel off next. It's going to take more than that. There's the flywheel. Looks like this has a ring gear I can heat up and take off and flip over like I did on the WD-45. So we can get a little more life out of it. There's a couple pretty bad spots on it here, but we'll worry about that later. Now that that's off, I'll go ahead and get it mounted on the engine stand and start disassembling the engine. Okay, I got the engine mounted up on the stand. Went ahead and got the oil draining out. So the next step, I'm going to get this valve cover off, get the head off and see what it looks like inside. Now what's left of the gasket disintegrated. It's surprisingly clean in there though. I'll get this rocker shaft off next. Yeah, I just had to change the battery. The battery died on me, so I'm not sure what I missed there, but it couldn't have been very much. I'll pull the rocker shaft out. This would be the point where my batteries decided to quit on my wireless microphone. So here I am removing the thermostat housing in preparation for getting the head off the engine. Got standard rust and gunk in there, otherwise it seems to be in pretty good shape. Now I'm removing the external oil line. Be the last step before I can unbolt the head and pull it off. Now I've got the head unbolted, just ready to lift it off there. Head appears to be in really good shape. Sure, it's going to need a good valve job and new valve stem seals, and good cleaning. Otherwise, I was real happy with what I seen there. Now, while I'm unbolting the oil pan, I'll take this time to give a shout out to all my YouTube friends. That'd be Zane at Hodgepodge Dodge Garage, Cody at Y Doc Productions, and James at Third Coast OBS. They've all got great channels and lots of good videos, so head on over and check them out when you get a chance if you haven't already. Now the oil pan's unbolted, I'll get pried loose and get it up off of there. Surprisingly, not any sludge in the oil pan. The oil was pretty bad, but there wasn't any sludge in there, which is another good sign. Now that thrust bearing is in the front journal there, and that's what's bad. That's why the crankshaft has so much end play. But I really won't know if it's salvageable until I get it completely disassembled and do some measurements. I don't know what the journals look like or anything else on there. But if it's nothing but that thrust bearing, I may be able to get by with just a new set of bearings and calling it good. And here I'm looking for cracks in between the cylinders, which if there are any, the block's usually junk. This one seems to be good. There was no antifreeze in the oil, which is the first indicator that there are cracks there. And that all looked good. So I think I'm going to stop the video here. In the next one, I'll start disassembling the crankshaft, get it out of there, get the pistons out, see what everything looks like. So far, it's about what I've expected. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll catch you all next time. See you later.